Hello friends, my name is Rishabh and I am civil engineer. Today I will discuss about the member accesses in our PB structures. Okay, in our PB structure. Now I can take one example for member accesses. Okay, so this is our column. Okay, you can see this is our column and this is our global accesses chart. Okay, global access chart. This chart we will use when we design a structure with a combination of elements. For example, we design PEB structure, then we design structure with columns, rafters, purlin girts. Okay, but now we will design, or now we will only study the concept of the axis of the member. So now we does not follow this axis, we follow the local axis of this member. Okay, local axis, not this. These are the global axes, and now we'll discuss about the local axis of this member. So what are the local axis of this members? This member. Okay, so this column local axis are the local y axis of this member is this. Okay, and the local y axis are this, and local x axis of this member is this. Okay, and local z axis of this member is along his flanges. This is z axis. Okay, when we apply load on the column, for example wind load in PB structure on the column flanges, okay, then column will be, I will take economical base spacing, which is 6 meter between two column, and we will use gird. Okay, gird. Then we will give the property to the gird, cold form Z with lips 200Z, which is very common in our Indian design manual. Okay, so I am giving to the property to this member. Now the structure will look like as in such manner. Okay, when, so our point is that why we should does not provide LX and KX. Okay, LX and KX means the x-axis or the x-axis with global concept, or global LX axis with local concept or local criteria, means the local x-axis of this member is this. It means when it rotate about it x-axis, it will be rotated in such manner. It will be rotated in such manner. One second. It will rotate in such manner, and this type of movement we also called as torsion. So torsion in our PB structure will not come. Okay, so we does not provide to prevent torsion in, we does not provide any element or any member to prevent the torsion of the column in our PB structure. That's why we does not provide LX value or KX value, because X value with respect to X means it related to the torsion of the member. Okay, in our PEB structure, the torsion of the column and torsion of the rafter beam, or torsion of the angle bracings, torsion of the pipe strut will not happen. Okay, so that's why we does not give the any value with respect to X, which means LX value and KX value. Now another point is that why we provide LY value. Okay, means value with respect to y-axis. Okay, our column y-axis is this, means wind is applied to the column flange. This is the y-axis of our column. This is the y-axis of the column, which means I will show you the example. I'll taking the base spacing and one gird and giving to the property to the gird, and giving to the property to the gut. Now you can see this you can see this control all. Okay, when you considering the y-axis, means the y-axis of this column is this. Okay, when moment about this y-axis, then column will be tilted in such manner. Moment. Okay, so it means it restrain the column by taking the compression in this member, means gut. It restrain the column movement by taking the compression in gut, and it restrain this moment along y, about y. So okay, due to the gut we can restrain the moment about the y-axis of the column by taking the compression gut in such manner. Okay, by taking the compression in such manner. Okay,